Hey everyone, this is Mr. Everything, and in this video I wanted to do an unboxing and overview of this Hart combo tool pack. I think this is pretty good. Main reason why I got it is just mostly for the price. I'll start with that. I think it's the most important thing if you're interested in this. Walmart sells, I think, for $178. I recently bought some Hart hand tools and they were discounted, but I noticed these weren't. I'm not sure if Walmart does put these on discount at times, but I usually will look on eBay, and you can find these combo packs brand new for like $80 to $100. I believe in store they go for like $178, so you're saving about $80 at least. I've seen a few on eBay that were in the sold listings that were like as low as 60 brand new, and then I've seen them cheaper if they're just already used or something. But you get two 2 amp hour batteries, a fast charger, and then a bag, and then the two tools. It's supposedly brushless, so we'll see. I mean, I really have no way to test this. I just bought this for work to use, not for like drilling too much like screws or wood or anything, but just for some garage use. So I can't really test it here. I'll just be happy as long as they have decent battery life. And then I have an actual impact for any like actual bolt fastening. But it doesn't hurt to have that, just the impact driver. So it looks like everything's already in the bag. It's upside down, I think. No, it was on its side. So again, supposedly this is all brushless. Now the logo is really crooked and off center, but you know, just the fact that you get the case, can't complain. So everything's in here. So this is the impact, which looks really nice. Wow, it just, well, the one we're using now is just like an old crappy Black & Decker, and I think that was a Walmart brand. I don't even know if they have it. Maybe this is what, I don't know if they just transformed into Hart or they let go of them and just use Hart now. I know this is more of a cheap Walmart brand, but I gotta say every single Hart tool I have works very well. Now they're not a Milwaukee or top end stuff, but for the price and simplicity going to Walmart, I'm fine with them. Now what I really looking forward to using is this drill. Nice big chuck on it. Put your hand around that pretty good to adjust it. Now that's stiff. Maybe I'm not. Oh, I can't remember if they all. Oh, I guess it just locks at the end there. I'll have to figure that out. I guess that's actually on the fastening or the torque setting. Even though it didn't say 1, I guess it just goes by that little indicator there. So this lines up here. So I see that. It's pretty stiff. That might... I have a Ryobi, but I didn't want to use those tools for at work, just for preserving the battery. So this is its own system. So these will be separately used. Now, even though the construction looks a lot like Ryobi, this battery here is completely different. I know in Milwaukee, even though they slide in, they don't use this type of pinout, and I don't think DeWalt's do either. And I got a nice little bit there just cut into my hand, so that's nice. At least they give you one bit in a little storage place, but I think I'll be taking that off. Let's see, we have paperwork. There's a lot in here. They offer a lot of different tools. You can pretty much get them all at Walmart. And then these hangers that you can put in here if you want, which I don't think I'll use them. I might fool around with them off camera. And then the battery, so at least $80. I don't even think this was open box. So check on eBay if you're going to buy this at Walmart, unless it's on clearance. I would say just check eBay first, because you might find yourself a better deal on there. Alright, so there's the other battery, and the charger should be somewhere in here. They really had that locked in there so it wouldn't go anywhere, I guess. So again, it says that this is a fast charger. There's your indicator light, which I think that cheap Black & Decker doesn't have an indicator light. So it's nice to know the status of the battery. So it's a 2 amp. I don't know Milwaukee. I think all their, they got that red one that does the 12 volt and the 18. I think those are all fast chargers, but I could be wrong. And then I have the older Ryobi all green fast charger. So I don't know what Hart's is compared to theirs, if this is as fast as those ones are, but being these are only 2 amps, I'm sure they'll charge up pretty quick. I don't think there's any indicator lights on the batteries themselves, which for a budget brand, that's not that big of a deal. Especially when you have 2, because you just keep one on charge or swap them. Not bad. Then you do get the LED right there. Definitely think they're pretty quiet compared to a brushed. So now some of that might just be since they're new, but either way, not bad. Pretty happy. So long as they hold up and battery life's good, I have no complaints. And the design's decent. I'd say it's about on par. It must be. I think I thought I read that someone said that these were made by the same manufacturer as Ryobi, because that looks pretty much like the same label it's on a Ryobi one, unless that's just some standardized type, but that it looks very similar to a Ryobi, so I'm going to say it's probably either the same manufacturer or in the ballpark. So I would recommend it. Again, I think the main lesson here is just check on eBay, see if you can get a deal on there like I did of these, and of course you have your Walmart returns and extra batteries and accessories and drill bits you can buy in the Hart Walmart tool section. So that's some simplicity. Even though it's cheaper, you do get some convenience of everything being at your local Walmart. So if you're interested in this set, not too bad. It's this actual 2 kits, HPCK252B. So there you go. If that's something you're looking for, as long as it works, I'll be happy with them. So check them out. Thanks for watching, and you'll see me in the next one. Have a good one.